It can be challenging to comprehend how certain people manage to achieve their seemingly perfect lives in the world. One such person is Andrew Tate. Despite not even having an account, he is a successful social media influencer, notably on TikTok. How is that even conceivable? Numerous Instagram and TikTok accounts share his contentious messages and interviews. Beginning in 2022, he began to gain popularity on social media and took the TikTok platform by storm. However, very few people are aware of his source of income. In this post, we'll examine Andrew Tate's financial situation and path to success. We'll also look at his other endeavors and his prospects for the future. So without further ado, let's begin. Who is Andrew Tate? It's crucial to comprehend who Andrew Tate is and what he does before we can discuss how he made his money. A social media sensation and former professional kickboxer, Andrew Tate is an American entrepreneur who now resides in Romania, four-time world champion. Even though a lot of people think that Cobra Tate became successful overnight, Andrew Tate actually worked hard and was dedicated for years before he reached his current position. He first launched his YouTube channel in 2011, and it took him some time to expand it. But as soon as he did, his popularity skyrocketed, and he swiftly rose to the top of the list of YouTube stars worldwide. It's pretty challenging, I have to admit, to determine Andrew Tate's exact net worth. In fact, he is said to have somewhere between $30 and $350 million, according to various sources. Based on my study, I think the correct response is somewhere in the center, and he probably has about $100 million. How Andrew Tate made his money is described in the video about his net worth. The success of his YouTube channel contributed significantly to Andrew Tate's wealth, much like it did for Emery and Russell Tate. The age of Andrew Tate is approximately 35 years old, therefore, the ISKA World Full Contact Karate Champion was a successful boxer who earned a solid living. The majority of his fortune, though, was made possible by his transition to TikTok. How did Andrew Tate make his money? Andrew Tate has a lot of income streams, some of which include 1. Coaching. Anyone looking to become a successful entrepreneur and get out of the matrix can receive one-on-one coaching from Andrew Tate. 2. Speaking engagements. Popular speaker Andrew Tate has spoken at numerous occasions. As a result of these commitments, he has made a sizable sum of money. 3. Webcam business. Additionally, Andrew Tate runs a webcam company called On OnlyFans where he pays girls to put on live shows for fans in exchange for money. These women frequently perform stripteases and other activities with an adult tone in his concerts. On his website, he has also made accessible a number of videos of his shows that may be bought. He still makes a respectable living from his webcam company, despite it not being as profitable as it once was. 4. Hustlers University. The creator of Hustlers University, an online program that instructs students on how to succeed in both business and life, is Andrew Tate. Students pay $49 per month to take the course. This is a subscription model, and it has been highly successful. He reportedly has between 50,000 and 100,000 students, which means that he makes between $2,500,000 and $5 million a month from it alone. This course is for you if you want to learn from one of the world's most accomplished individuals. The fact that many individuals claim that this is a pyramid scam or an MLM model has caused debate surrounding it. 5. Tate Publishing. Tate Publishing, a company that aids authors in getting their books published, was founded by Andrew Tate as well. Many people's dreams of becoming published authors have been realized thanks to the company. 6. Real estate. Another prosperous real estate investor is Andrew Tate. His portfolio is worth millions of dollars, and he has a number of properties in both Europe and the United States. Andrew Tate is, as you can see, a very successful businessman. His wealth has been accumulated through a number of ventures and investments. We advise reading some of his books or courses if you're interested in finding out more about how he makes his money. Don't expect to be let down. Andrew Tate, the rise of the self-proclaimed trillionaire. Tate was a professional kickboxer prior to taking on the identity of Top G. Curiously, he won world championship titles in 2 different weight divisions. Tate's ascent to notoriety happened in 2016 while he was a contestant on the well-known reality TV series Big Brother. At the time, a video of the Anglo-American personality hitting a woman appeared online. He replied that it was a consenting act and that the film had been edited. What are the sources of his income? The Hustlers University 2.0 online school, which he founded, is unquestionably his main source of income. It entails a variety of extensive online courses that give users lesson plans and walkthroughs for swiftly making money. There are currently more than 100,000 concurrent pupils, claims the money-focused website. Tate is making more than $5 million from just this business, with each subscription costing $49.99. Final words on how Andrew Tate made his fortune. In many different facets of his life, Andrew Tate has achieved success. He is a well-known kickboxer who has also worked in a number of enterprises. Tate's commitment and tenacity are what made him successful. Growth Hackers is an internationally recognized digital marketing and growth hacking firm that supports the expansion of enterprises. Growth Hackers is all business and no fluff. By drawing inspiration from savvy business people like Andrew Tate, we assist entrepreneurs and company owners enhance revenue through qualified lead generation, conversion rate optimization, data collection and analysis, user acquisition and retention, and sales growth. Beyond brand exposure and familiarity, we go farther. We make sure that the techniques we employ have an impact so that your business can develop, advance, and be successful. Perseverance is key to success. Regardless of your talent or knowledge, success won't come easily. To persevere in the face of adversity, you must possess the will and determination. The good news is that Andrew Tate excels in this area. He is a man who is driven to succeed and will stop at nothing to get what he wants. His career has benefited greatly from this level of commitment. He has used it to go beyond any challenges that have arisen and, in the end, it has contributed to his success. Tate suffered a defeat in his debut match as a professional, but he refused to let that stop him. He persisted in fighting and training until he attained world champion status. This is a fantastic illustration of how tenacity can result in achievement. You have to believe in yourself. The value of self-belief is one of the most crucial things we can take away from Andrew Tate. It will be incredibly challenging to do anything in life if you don't have confidence in yourself. It is not enough to simply have a desire or a goal, you must firmly believe that you are capable of achieving it. This is what sets successful people apart from the general populace. They have a firm belief in their own abilities and ability to succeed. Although expensive cars like the Aston Martin DBS, Ferrari 458 and Bugatti Veyron are not cheap, Andrew Tate was able to afford them because he had confidence in himself. He developed confidence in himself and his capacity to prevail as his kickboxing career advanced. This steadfast conviction was what made it possible. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section.